trying to give me a discount, and let's check it out. Reliance Digital, Pune. So just got it. So guys, after all, I got the GoPro. It's time to go GoPro. For a very long time I was waiting for this. बहुत time से रुका था कि I want a GoPro. My footage were not coming good on while riding a motorbike. So it's time. I bought this thing. I got a wonderful deal, by the way. The deal is like really nice. I got it from Reliance Digital in Pune. I was not even prepared for the deal. I was just walking by and I saw a beautiful GoPro deal happening. और सही डील चल रहे थे, एकदम कड़क था डील. So one 32 GB memory card from SanDisk Extreme. ये मैंने ऑनलाइन देखा है on Amazon. It is around 1300 रुपए का है. It is costly, but ठीक है. I use a 128 one. दोनों का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. Then after that I got 3-way. That's the selfie stick. You can use it as a tripod. Costing around 6,700. Yes, this is for 6,700. MRP for this is around 1,600. ये 1600 का है, ये 6,700 का है. Then I got chesty. Chesty is for around 3,400, 3,400 की chesty. And ये भी उसके साथ मिली डील में. And of course I got my GoPro 7 Black hypersmooth. So all this thing 11,600 roundabout accessories I got for free, and I paid 34,000 for the whole thing. So I believe this is a wonderful deal. I'll quickly open the box and show you. So let's check it out. So guys, I have opened everything. This is the chesty. I have the 3-way. Really nice. Guys, don't mind. मेरा हाथ है वो थोड़ा हिलता है. If you really want to know why my hand shakes, please check this video. I've gone through organ transplant, and that is the reason. These are just side effects. Anyways, keeping that aside, I have my GoPro ready. Now, कोई भी specification I'm not going to share because I'm new to this world of GoPro, but you can check some other videos online. I have seen them and I'm going to learn this. But my next video, I'm going to show you how to attach this on your helmet, because I used to use SJ cam. It was good for the first year and a half, but then the quality has gone down. So I had to go with GoPro. Another thing, this attachment where the GoPro was securely kept, I'm going to use this. इसको मैं संभाल के रखने वाला हूँ. Maybe I'm going to attach this to my car dashboard and I'll put it over there, so my other two mounts, I can use it on my helmet, which is really important. The reason why I bought this, and this is going to help me so much because I won't have any more shaky videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to make a lot of videos about motorbikes and all those things. I hope you enjoy. Have a good day and a healthy life.